First question: when the national flag was adopted in India? Answer: option D, July 22, 1947. When the state emblem was adopted in India? Answer: option A, January 26, 1950. When the national calendar was adopted in India? Answer: option B, March 22, 1957. Who was the first Indian person to get a Nobel Prize? Answer: option C, Rabindranath Tagore. The famous Navakalevara festival belongs to which of the following state? Answer: option A, Odisha. The Kala Ghoda Art Festival is associated with which one of the following state? Answer: option D, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Natya Shastra, the main source of Indian classical dance, was written by? Answer: option B, Bharat Muni. Name the highest gallantry award in India. Answer: option A, Paramveer Chakra Award. Who is the first recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Answer: option A, Vishwanath Anand. Who was the first Indian scientist to get Nobel Prize? Answer: option D, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Who is the new president of the World Bank? Answer: option B, Ajay Banga. Which country is the largest producer of gold in the world? Answer: option C, South Africa. Where among these places sun will rise the earliest? Answer: option B, Tokyo, Japan. Who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission of India? Answer: option A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Planning Commission of India has been abolished by the Prime Minister. Answer: option C, Narendra Modi. Where was the first train streamed off in India? Answer: option A, Darjeeling. Who was the Defence Minister of India during the Indo-China War of 1962? Answer: option C, V.K. Krishna Menon. Who is called the father of the Indian economic reforms? Answer: option D, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India is appointed by? Answer: option B, President. Who is the first Law Minister of Independent India? Answer: option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who among the following was a founder of the Swaraj Party? Answer: option A, Chittaranjan Das. Who among the following was regarded by Mahatma Gandhi as his political guru? Answer: option D, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Quit India movement was led by? Answer: option C, Mahatma Gandhi. The mantra do or die was given by which famous person? Answer: option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Which famous person is known as Lok Nayak? Answer: option D, Jayaprakash Narayan. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of? Answer: option A, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who among the following was started the newspaper Vande Mataram? Answer option B. Bipin Chandra Pal. Who wrote the famous Discovery of India? Answer option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who presided over the first meeting of the Indian Constituent Assembly? Answer option A. Sachidananda Sinha. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the Anti-Defamation Bill was passed? Answer option A. Rajiv Gandhi. The first president of the independent India hails from? Answer option B. Bihar. Where is the headquarters of the National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, NABARD? Answer option D. Mumbai. Which is the biggest enterprise of the Government of India? Answer option C. Railway. The neighboring country of the India which has the smallest area is? Answer option A. Bhutan. Which water body separate Andaman and Nicobar Island? Answer option C. 10-degree channel. India has the longest international border with which country? Answer option D. Bangladesh. Which Indian state has the largest share of the wasteland in India? Answer option C. Rajasthan. Which one of the following state has the longest coastline? Answer option C. Gujarat state. Loktak Lake is situated in which state of India? Answer option B. Manipur state. Hirakud Dam is located on which river? Answer option A. Mahanadi river. The Panchayati Raj system was first started in India in the state of the Rajasthan and? Answer option B. Andhra Pradesh. The Panchayati Raj system was first introduced in India is? Answer option A. 1959. Who appoints the Union Public Service Commission UPSC? Answer option B. President. Age of a candidate to contest parliamentary election should not lesser than? Answer option C. 25 years. Who had founded the Independent League? Answer option A. Motilal Nehru. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer option C. Lord Mountbatten. When was the non-cooperation movement suspended? Answer option C. 1929. When did the cabinet mission arrive in India? Answer option A. 1947.